Hi students, yesterday we learned some fun facts about plants. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is water for every household. So let's start. We know that we need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it whenever we need it. Earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pots were used to store water. Even today, these types of pots are used. Nowadays, steel or plastic is also used to make different containers like water tanks or bottle for storing water. To ensure good hygiene, we must have safe drinking water. If we use contaminated, that is dirty water, it can cause diseases. So, we take special care of water used for drinking and cooking. We keep the drinking water containers covered. This prevents dust and other rubbish from entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water, the dirt on our hand can enter the water. So, we should use a dipper to take the water and cover the container properly. But the best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. This way, it becomes easier to take the water and it also prevents contamination. Every time when the water in container is finished, we should wash the container well before refilling it. If we take such care, drinking water remains clean. Do you know? Some people believe that the drinking water of previous day must be thrown away and water should be stored every day, because the previous day's water becomes stale. But it is actually wrong. Throwing away the water of previous day is a waste of good water. We should throw or use drinking water for other purposes only if it gets dirtied for some reason. So that's for it today, students. In our next video, we will learn more about storage and distribution of water in modern era. Bye students. Take care of yourself and your family.